Hi, happy Wednesday. Just popping on here today to show you my outfit of the day. It's this light pink t-shirt. It's got all the spring vibes. I feel super cute in this. It's I love light pink and it's very cute. And I have these boho type earrings. I don't know if you guys can see those good, but they're cute and they're light pink like the top. And I'm gonna do a little gallery of some of the clothes that I got while I was in Palm Springs, and maybe some of the tops and maybe some pants too that I got from the Fashionista party, and some dresses. I'm just going to show you all kinds of different clothes that I got. I may not try on all of them, but I'll show them to you. So what I have planned today, when I'm wearing this outfit, this will not be the outfit that I wear all day because I'm going to be trying on so many different outfits, but I am going to get through all of my Fashionista clothes, and I'm going to try to take down my Valentine's, which I've been saying that for a while now, but I'm going to try to at least take that down today. And I just have a really busy Wednesday today, so without further ado, let's get with it. So I did manage to do a little meal prep and made Richard some lunch. I did make a burrito for him. I just chopped up some hamburger meat and I put cheese and sour cream and a little bit of these tater tots and some hot sauce. He likes it that way, and I didn't get a picture of that. We were running so fast trying to get stuff ready, but yeah, so I have these cooked up and I can just eat these during the week. Yes, I'm the savage. I like something just quick that I can grab and go. So I guess this is also going to turn into what I ate in a day video. Richard, he picked these asparagus from our garden, and so I'm going to cook up a batch of these for us for dinner. Then I decided to clean out my refrigerator and wipe everything down real quick. Just trying to get a little bit ahead of it. So that feels good to get that done, and the refrigerator's all cleaned out. So today, this is how I'm getting my sunshine and my little walk-in. Oh wow, Richard has been busy with these weeds and cutting the asparagus this morning. So I walk out here. I'm probably going to have 5 trips because I cleaned out the refrigerator and I had a lot of stuff in there that I'm going to put into the compost. But that big pile back there, that is my compost, so I'll probably make about 5 trips back and forth to that. But it's a beautiful day. You guys can see how pretty it is out here. And yeah, just getting my walk in, just getting a little movement going and keeping up with my busy day and trying to move more with whatever I do. And I might do some more exercises and some stretches. Yesterday I got quite a good stretch doing my stretch therapy, and I did a little yoga. And so yeah, here we are. I'm at the compost, so I'm going to put this in here now, and then I'm going to go make a few more trips back and forth. I just want to come on here and tell you, when I was out taking the stuff to the compost on my second trip out, I fell, and I mean, I still have dirt on me, and I haven't even took off my pants and seen the damage I did to my knee, but my hands hurt really bad. They don't look too bad. They're pretty skint up, but when I fell, the dish I was carrying out flew, and I put my hands down and I landed like, face first on the ground, and it kind of shook me up a little bit. It took me a little bit to get up, but I'm okay. And I'll check out my knee and all, but I still have a couple more trips to, and I mean, I don't want to trip, not that kind of trip, but I still need a couple more trips to take to the compost before I'm done with that. And so I'll get back to you in a little bit after I do that. So here is what one of my wrists looks like. The vein got swollen on it. I don't know why. And then this was my knee. My knee got skin up, but that isn't the knee that really hurts. The other one bruised up, and that one hurts even more. So this is the one that hurts and got bruised up. So I'm not going to lie, that really shook me up. And I cleaned it up and changed into another outfit. I really like this outfit that I have, so I might as well show you this one. So here is my second outfit that I got. This was also thrifted. This was from the Fashionista party, and I love this saying, "It is well with my soul." And here are the biker shorts, I guess you would call them, and the sweatshirt. Super cute outfit. So I don't know what happened to my camera lens. Maybe I needed to clean it off, but it's super blurry. But here's the sweatshirt, and I'm trying to show you that these are Calvin Klein brand shorts. They're really cute, and they're a little bit long, but I really like them. Okay, this video didn't exactly go as I planned. So that's about it for now. This video is starting to get long, so I will do my little gallery of all my thrift clothes that I got in Palm Springs, and some of the outfits that I've thrifted the last few weeks. And I'm gonna end this video because it is getting so long. And if you want to see my dancing, go over on Instagram. I'm trying to move more and do a little more exercise. And since I fell, I think I'm gonna get in the shower, wash it off, or maybe even take an Epsom salt bath and soak my knees and everything. But the thing that seems to hurt the most is right here on my wrist. It's like this blue vein kind of swell up, but I'm sure it'll go away. It's not a big deal, but I just want to make sure I don't get stiff. That's why I made sure I did my dance and I did some stretching, and I don't want things to get tightened up. I got to keep moving, especially at my age, and it's very important not to fall. I would think the main reason I was wearing not proper shoes. I had my flip-flops on out there. So let that be a lesson, especially for us that are getting up there. Like, I'm a mom that's over 60. I'm 62, and I'm a grandmother, and I don't want to fall, because a lot of times, you know, when you fall and those injuries, it just kind of spirals from there and it gets worse. And I just got over a knee injury, so I certainly don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna focus on getting the rest of that put together, my all the thrift clothes, and film that for you guys, and then edit that, and then load my dance up on Instagram. And I will probably do a little, if I have time, I'll probably work on getting my Valentine's put up today. So until next time, have a great Wednesday, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.